Are you suffering from hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, not sleeping well, low energy? You've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Paula Nelson, family nurse practitioner and medical director for LoveJoy Hormone Clinic here in beautiful Payson, Arizona. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, otherwise known as BHRT. And the only way I really know to really give you a good picture of it is my own personal experience. I started having menopausal symptoms in my early 40s, and I was miserable between the hot flashes and the night sweats and not sleeping. It was starting to go over into my personal life and my career as well. And so I needed help bad. I had a friend that actually turned me on to BHRT and told me where to go, and I went and got some pellets. And 3 days later, my hot flashes were gone. A week later, I was sleeping better. And a month later, I had great sex drive like I had in my 20s and my 30s. So that was an extra added bonus. So you're watching this video today. Obviously, you're interested in BHRT. It all starts with clicking the button to make an appointment with one of our new patient coordinators over the phone for a phone consultation. And if you qualify for BHRT, then they will make you an appointment with either myself or one of our providers in Chandler, and we'll get you started on your hormone journey. We would love to meet you. Make that appointment today.